You're a mess. And lick it. Lick it. Just cake. Alright, wait, let's go get wipey. Here. Wipey. Now clean your hands. Clean your hands. Clean them good. So, this is what my backyard looks like. Completely flooded with snow. Can't really see the steps much. And the hammock is full of snow. And the trees are blowing with the wind. And all the thick snow coming down. Hi guys, so it's snowing. Yay! Right now I have some candles going and we have the lights off. I made some muffins and some brownies and yeah, baby boy's running around. The dogs already went and ran all outside, but it's pretty thick falling. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it like right through here where the tree's at. It's pretty thick falling down. I got this candle though burning in my bathroom. Let me pick it up slowly. It's called Christmas Time. And like time as in the seasoning time, you know. And I also got this little one, and they were both on sale. I got this little one for spiced pumpkin, and this one was $5.06, and the other one was $5.56, so 50 cents more. I got that taller one, and then I got this little one, and this one's spiced pumpkin. They had them on sale at Art Exchange. But look at all this crazy snow. We'll go out and play in it in a little bit. But yeah, the dogs went and ran around and played in the snow, and I was like, my husband woke up and he was like, it didn't snow. What are you talking about? There's no snow outside. I go, I've been up for like an hour. There's snow outside. And within that hour, there's already like 3 extra inches. Yeah. So it's falling down pretty heavy. Today's going to be a chill day. We're going to stay at home most of the day. My husband he's dying to drive in the snow. But, yeah, we're going to stay in and probably binge watch some TV and stuff like that. And play outside a little bit later with baby boy so he can play in the snow, and yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in a little bit. He tried to go behind him. It's snowing! No! There's Bella. Jesus. Oh my God, I can't see the steps. No, watch out. Okay. Say hi. Austin, look, say hi. Do you see snow? Yeah. What's Bella doing? At least he's all super bundled up with gloves and everything. My hands are already freezing. Yay, snow! You gonna run in it? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You got like 10 layers of clothes on, boy. Come on. Yeah, your shoes. Yeah? Did he go inside? No. No? He said no. Bella, come here. You done? She to us playing in the snow. All this snow. Haven't seen this much snow in years. It's a lot of snow. Come on, Papa. Let's go inside. Let's go get hot chocolate. You want hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go get hot chocolate. Of course, I'm not recording again. Are you doing that on purpose now? Huh?
I'm gonna go out to my car and try to figure out.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go on my
Attempting to drive. And he's determined. Because he wants to drive in the snow. Look at that front wheel spin. There he goes. So he can't figure out how to get back into the driveway now. He's gone forward and backwards about 1 billion times already. Where's Daddy doing? What is Daddy doing? Look at Daddy. Do you see Daddy? What is he doing? Oh, watch out. Maybe. Maybe. It's done. Look. Maybe. Yay! He did it! Yay! Finally figured it out! Yay! Say yay! 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 Yay, Daddy! This little fist.